Alright, so basically what I've done here is to make sure that, see if the board was bad or the motor, is I ran a direct link from the transformer to the blower right here. These are the blower motors wires. So I'm directly powering it. That verifies the capacitor works. The motor runs, as you can see. It's running. If you can see, it's kind of hard to see. There it is. So the other thing is, as you see, it's running now. The other thing is that the board itself was not saying a signal to power up. As you can see, it's reading nothing. So the board relay is bad, right up there. So that has to be replaced. Then everything will run right. So I'm just go ahead and just turn everything back off, because you see it's running correctly right now while I have it bypassed. All right, here we are with the new control board. Gonna get it ready to swap all the wires out. Here we go. Where you're at, just kind of get up there as best as you can, and yeah, just so you can kind of follow what I'm doing. Right. So it's on now. All right, so we're already switching the wires out. We've got the hots coming in. This is the motor wires. All right, so we're gonna do this last. Let's get all the neutrals up here. Get that off the board. And these are the neutrals. So this will be draft inducer time. That's gonna be the first stage. Okay, I just heard the first relay for the igniter. There it goes. I'm listening for the gas controller to click. Next signal will be the blower motor in just a minute, if all went well. It should kick on in a few seconds. There it goes, just kicked off. There it is. Blower motor kicked on like it's supposed to after 30 seconds. There it goes, blowing real good. Situation solved. And the light is showing solid, which means it's all go to go. Everything's good. It's all checking out. And you have heat. How's that look? Beautiful. Love it. Everything's working like it's supposed to. Now, do me a favor and hold that button a minute. I want to. And then you got that? Or you got the camera backwards? All right, we got 130. Show with the board where I got it touched into the motor wire, and that's what it should have read before. That proves that the board was not functioning right. And there we go. It is a solid.